In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update your employees and managers' notifications. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then click on Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Admin. Select Notifications from the drop-down menu. Click Mass Update in the upper right-hand corner. Now you can mass update notifications. First, decide if you only want to create a new notification or if you want to modify old ones. Click the arrow next to Add Only and select Add Only, Do Not Replace, Replace, Delete Local, or Delete All. I'm going to choose Add Only, then select Employees or Managers. You cannot choose individual employees and managers this way. You have to choose all employees and/or all managers. I'll choose both. Next, you do need to enable this report if you want them to actually receive it. So change that no to a yes by clicking the arrow and choosing Yes Send Reports. Decide which day or days of the week you want this report sent. I'm going to choose every Friday. Then decide what's in that report. Do you want the calendar, the schedule, or the swap board? I'll go ahead and choose all three. And finally, how many days do you want this report to show? Click the arrow next to 7 days and choose 1, 2, 3, or 4 weeks worth. I'm going to choose 7 days. Then scroll down and set up any alerts. Do you want your employees and/or managers to be alerted if their schedule changes in the next 7 days? Or if posted shifts are claimed or removed by a manager? Or shifts become available, empty shifts are not included in that? Or if leave requests change status? I'm going to go ahead and leave those alerts to my employees and managers to set up. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this mass updated notification, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that new notification has been created for everyone. Check out the next video to learn how to monitor, disable, and delete your managers' and employees' events.